Hey guys, in today's video, for our 30 subscriber milestone, we're going to be teaching my brother how to ride my 125cc two-tail DB17 dirt bike. And we cut the seat, as you can see, and we're going to start him off slow by just starting it. And he already whipped the leg over there, so. Oh. All right, turn the key on, not yet. You turn the gas on. Do not put it in gear, whatever you do, okay? Choke's on. He's got all of his gear. Can you do it?
Yeah, I got it. I just have to whip my leg.
Find it. Yep, that's nice. So lean on over. Okay, I'm gonna be on this side. Using my boots.
Probably gonna take a little bit.
All right, so I'm gonna
It's kind of tiring.
yeah, warm it up for you and show you kind of how. So he already knows how clutch works and everything. So okay, so this is actually the second time because I did not want to have a camera in my hand videotaping if I needed to do anything. So this is his second time. He kind of knows the basics. He's already been on it a little bit before. It's not his first time. But
first time where I feel comfortable to really
he's got to start it, and he's just going to go all the way over there. He's going to come back to me, and then he's just going to let it die because it's cold. So go ahead, start her up. You do it. Okay, pull the clutch in, gear it, slowly let it out. Stalled. That's okay, that's okay.
That's okay.
We're all okay. Okay, this is now, he's gonna start it up again and he's gonna go. Almost first try. Get her? Gas. Give me gas. Not that much. Kind of in the... Off he goes. Let her die. There we go. Popping it. Boom. There.
See, well, at least I know if I make a mistake, I can stop it. Clutch in, brake.
Yeah. So, and if that happens...
I decided I wasn't comfortable going second gear, so I didn't go second gear.
All right, that's good. That's good. You know where you need to be.
I know where I'm comfortable.
So, whenever you started, I was in slow-mo. So, I had to put, I had to stop when you were right over there.
Do it again?
Yeah. So, go ahead and, let's try to start you somewhere else now. See if you can figure it out. By yourself. Slowly let that clutch out.
Stalled it.
Stalled. That's okay. That's okay. Even I stall it sometimes.
Second
Whenever.
time stalled it.
What? Yeah, second time stalled it.
Third try.
Third try. Third time's the charm. Yeah, don't look at the tree now. I actually want you to keep going.
Keep going.
Whoa, wobbly there. And then just stop right where you were. Nice, 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 nice.